The winner is candidate number...
You guessed it well, candidate number 2. We are awarded by Honorable Shirley Ongsi, Campus Manila.
Question what I spent. I never asked for help.
Candidate number 2 is Miss Aubrey Miles from Barangay 10, Lawag City. She was born on December 20, 1984. She's a college undergrad. She believes that live your life to the fullest is actually her motto. Her best asset is her hair. Her ambition in life is to become a fashion designer someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our best in hair attire is none other than candidate number 2. Miss Aubrey Miles, thank you. Congratulations, candidate number 2.